Hello my creators, today we are going to make best wishes card box. For that we require these materials. Let's start the video. Here you have to take one paper little bit smaller than the A4 size like this. The white is my printed paper and the green is a smaller 1 cm from the all four sides. So like this you have to take a small coloring paper. Printed paper you have to take a A4 size. Now here we are going to start marking from the one side 3.5 and half, again 3.5 and half, and rest we have to leave it. Once you complete marking you have to trace with the empty refill pen, and afterwards you have to fold it properly. Now once you complete this one you have to take a printed paper. As we draw the line we have to apply the Fevicol on the full white paper, printed paper, and stick this paper. Now extra part we have to fold it something like this and stick this also from the all four sides like this, and make a proper crease as a given in a center also. Now we are going to make a roll. As I am showing you the roll in another paper, but we have to make it in a green color paper. So apply the Fevicol and stick it this area. So this should be like a roll. Now this step I make a roll. I make a 4 to 5 roll. You have to stick it this one here. So now apply the Fevicol. First you have to draw the line. See, like this you have to stick this each one. As soon as you complete sticking this one, in a center we are going to make a pouch. I hope everybody is aware how to make a pouch. Every 3 cent I leave the 1 centimeter, this one. Now I stick first this one and then I apply the Fevicol on it and stick it in a center area. Now at the last here we are going to stick first black paper and then we are going to stick any color paper on it for writing best wishes slogan. Now in this first we are going to put the pencil, pen, whatever we want to give the other person. In a center part we can put the dairy milk or any other chocolate, whichever you like to give. And here we are going to write with the pen. Here I write best of luck for your exam. You can write whichever best wishes you have to give to the other person. One more thing I want to add here. This one you can give it to your 10th or 12th standard brother, sister, cousin, any friend as a exam best wishes card. Even in a center part also you can write something for the other person. I am writing keep smiling. You can write anything whichever you like it. Now you have to close it, first this one and second this one. Now you have to take a red strips and just move it like this and make a marking, and then apply the Fevicol and stick it. So here is your cover is also ready. Now take a Sharpie ribbon and stick it on these red strips, but only from the back side you have to stick a Sharpie ribbon. From the front side you have to leave it open. So at the last you have to make a knot here, something like bow, and your beautiful gift box card is ready. I hope you like and enjoy this activity. Thank you.